Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the ZINUS Mia metal platform bed frame with headboard, a sleek and sturdy foundation designed to elevate your sleep experience. Crafted entirely from durable steel and plywood, this king-sized bed frame features a robust steel slat support system that eliminates the need for a box spring, ensuring your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress is well supported and long-lasting. With dimensions of 80.5 inches in length, 75.3 inches in width, and 38 inches in height, this bed frame is designed to accommodate up to 700 pounds, making it perfect for a restful night's sleep. The closely spaced wood slats, positioned 3.1 to 3.4 inches apart, provide reliable support while extending the life of your mattress. Assembly is a breeze, with all parts, tools, and instructions conveniently packed into one box, allowing you to set it up in less than an hour. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that this bed frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Remember, the mattress is sold separately, so you can choose the perfect one to complete your sleep sanctuary. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.